let's reminisce for a second to say 6 or 7 years ago. Back then, when someone was at your front door, you had to be at home to know it. Even then, the odds that you were going to answer that door were probably about 50-50. Because as social as we think we are, we're mostly only social with our phones. That all changed several years back with the invention of the video doorbell. Well, now the door security camera has gotten an update, and this innovation is really over the top. Here's Alie Ward to explain.
For people who live in rental properties, it can be risky to make significant changes to those living spaces because to do so might mean saying so long to your security deposit. But this smart security system is made for those situations. It's called DoorCam by Remo Plus, and it can be installed and removed without ever leaving a trace. This is Paul Lee, and he is one of the minds behind DoorCam. We met up in Oakland, California.
What inspired the development of this?
We heard the news that there are increasing crime rate at the rental properties.
So if you don't own your house and you can't go through the door or the wall, you can go above.
Yeah, you can just hang on top of the door. It doesn't take more than 30 seconds to just hang on top of the door, and anyone can install it.
Now your camera detects motion.
Yes.
Will it see if someone walks by or if a tree blows?
If any movement that comes to the heat, then it's going to detect as a motion.
So it uses heat sensors to tell the difference between just like a tumbleweed and, say, a raccoon stealing my burrito.
Yeah.
Okay, so Paul, we have a makeshift door.
Yeah.
For Hollywood purposes, a simulation, if you will.
Okay.
And you said I can do this in under 30 seconds.
Probably you can do it within 5 seconds.
Within 5 seconds.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the installation.
That's it.
And maybe another half second to close the door.
Yep.
The battery-powered, Wi-Fi connected smart security camera has 2 built-in motion sensors, full HD video, a 2-way talk feature, night vision, cloud storage, and push notifications. The camera is, of course, placed on the exterior side of the door, and the Wi-Fi technology is on the door's interior.
This is also a Wi-Fi antenna?
Yeah, that's the antenna.
How wide is the peripheral view on this?
It's 160 field of view that detects most of the activities in front of your door.
So then now, is it sensing me because it can tell I'm warm-blooded and
Yes.
making past?
Yeah, your footage will be on the cloud.
So I think your camera can actually see wider than I can stretch,
Yep, it does.
which means I should go back to yoga.